The countdown to the official announcement of the highly anticipated Sony a7V has truly begun, and with less than 2 weeks remaining before Sony finally lifts the curtain, new leaks, insider reports, and industry whispers have started flooding the camera community, painting a far clearer picture of what this next-generation mirrorless camera is shaping up to become. And despite speculation that the a7V might be a minor refresh of the current a7 IV, the newest information suggests that Sony is preparing a significantly more advanced and modern upgrade, especially for hybrid shooters, content creators, and professional photographers searching for a reliable all-around full-frame body that integrates cutting-edge autofocus algorithms, improved processing pipelines, enhanced 4K video capabilities, and a brand-new partially stacked 33-megapixel sensor designed to bridge the gap between affordability and performance while still delivering the high-speed readout advantages traditionally reserved for Sony's premium stacked models. According to the latest overseas reports, the Sony a7V will indeed feature a newly developed 33MP partially stacked Exmor R sensor rather than reusing the a7 IV's older chip, and this revelation alone marks a major generational leap. While fully stacked sensors cost significantly more to produce and are typically found in flagships like the Sony A1 or A9 series, a partially stacked design offers faster readout, reduced rolling shutter, and better overall responsiveness without pushing the camera's price into ultra-premium territory. Nikon previously used a similar strategy in its Z6 III, which featured a partially stacked sensor delivering great performance at a mid-range price point, and Sony now appears to be following the same clever approach, except with higher resolution and more refined image processing optimization, giving the a7V a unique identity within Sony's lineup. The new reports claim the a7V will support 30 frames per second continuous shooting with the electronic shutter and 10 frames per second using the mechanical shutter, which may initially sound modest compared to the blazing speeds of specialist sports cameras. But many insiders believe Sony is intentionally limiting these numbers to maintain clear product segmentation between the a7V and the a9 III, since offering extremely high burst speeds on a mid-tier model would cannibalize sales of their high-end sports bodies. Although future firmware updates could, according to some early chatter, unlock additional performance depending on heat limitations and internal system optimization. The a7V is also expected to inherit Sony's latest AI-powered subject recognition system, similar to the technology seen in newer alpha models, using dedicated machine learning chips to detect human eyes, animals, vehicles, insects, and fast-moving subjects with unprecedented accuracy for this price range. But the a7V will likely not receive the full power of the flagship-grade AI engine used in the A1 or A9 III, as including identical processing power would raise manufacturing costs too drastically. Instead, Sony seems to be tailoring the AI algorithms to deliver strong real-world performance suitable for hybrid creators who rely on accurate autofocus for weddings, events, portraits, travel, documentary shooting, and daily content creation. Another exciting upgrade is the expected 8-stop in-body image stabilization system, giving photographers improved handheld performance, especially in low-light environments, long-exposure handheld shots, street photography, and dynamic run-and-gun video capture for vloggers, YouTubers, and filmmakers. Video shooters will also be happy to hear that the new leak clarifies the earlier confusion regarding 4K 60p crop. The most updated information suggests that 4K 60p will indeed be uncropped, offering full sensor readout and better image quality. Although the a7V will not include an internal cooling fan, meaning extended long-take recording could be limited depending on ambient temperature, codec choice, and processing load, but for everyday creators shooting short clips, B-roll, interviews, or cinematic sequences, the a7V should be more than capable of handling typical production needs without overheating. The rear LCD is being upgraded to a 3.2-inch dual-axis variangle and tilt hybrid screen, similar to what Sony implemented on higher-end models, finally bringing a more flexible display to the mid-range category. This design makes the camera a more useful for selfies, vlogging, vertical shooting, overhead shots, low-angle compositions, and dynamic filmmaking. Storage expandability will support CF Express Type A alongside SD-UHS-2 dual-slot compatibility, though Sony is reportedly removing the C5 button found on higher-tier bodies to maintain differentiation between professional and mid-range segments. The electronic viewfinder will feature approximately 5.6 million resolution, less than the ultra-high-resolution EVFs on flagship bodies but still more than capable for clear framing, manual focus accuracy, and bright outdoor visibility. One of the most surprising new details is that the A7V will include two USB-C ports, one for standard power delivery and data transfer, and another replacing the older micro-USB accessory port, giving creators improved workflows including simultaneous tethering and charging, streaming while powering the camera, and connecting accessories such as grips, wireless transmitters, and external devices without sacrificing the main USB-C connection. Despite early speculation that Sony would remove the full-size HDMI port, it is now confirmed to remain, offering reliable connectivity for external monitors and recorders. In terms of physical design, the A7V is expected to follow the ergonomic styling of the A7RV rather than the A1 or A9 series, featuring familiar grip shaping, front-side dial placement, and streamlined control layout optimized for both photography and videography without overwhelming new users. Pricing leaks indicate an expected launch price around $3,000, representing a substantial increase over the older A7 IV but aligning with the modernized internal hardware, new sensor technology, enhanced processing, and expanded AI functionality. While the higher price may seem steep, Sony's autofocus reliability, wide lens ecosystem, including both premium GM lenses and highly affordable third-party options, helps justify the investment for many creators who value long-term stability, color consistency, workflow integration, and dependable performance across demanding shooting environments. Early shipments appear to be extremely limited and may only reach a small number of buyers before Christmas, meaning most customers may not receive units until 2026 depending on pre-order timing and regional stock distribution. For professionals currently using cameras like the A7 IV for weddings, corporate work, YouTube production, or everyday commercial assignments, the A7V represents a compelling upgrade, especially if you've been waiting for better AI tracking, improved dynamic range, cleaner 4K video, faster readout performance, and a more modern shooting experience. With Sony expected to officially announce the A7V on December 2nd based on leaked promotional materials circulating across international markets, the excitement continues building, and once the announcement drops, filmmakers, photographers, reviewers, and tech enthusiasts will finally learn all the confirmed specs, sample images, body features, and pre-order details that will determine whether the A7V becomes one of the most influential mid-range cameras of the year. Until then, many users are already preparing to upgrade their two-camera setups, replace aging A7 series bodies, or transition from other brands into Sony's system due to its unmatched autofocus reputation, massive lens catalog, and advanced hybrid shooting capabilities. And if the A7V truly delivers everything these leaks suggest, it may become one of the most balanced, versatile, and powerful full-frame cameras for creators heading into 2026 and beyond.